Hi everybody and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about how to use these and those. Okay, just like we learned with this and that, we use these and those to talk about nouns that are close to us or far from us. Okay, so let's take a look at the board. Now, we know if there's just one, and it's close to us, we say this is a flower. Okay, but there's more than one. It's plural. So we have to say these. These are flowers. Again, more than one. Now, I changed the be verb to are, and I added an S at the end of flower. So these are flowers. Okay, now there's one that's far away. We say that is a flower. But again, there's more than one. There are two flowers. So in that case, we use those are flowers. Those are flowers. They're far away. So those are flowers. Okay, let's move on to the next part. So we know these are flowers. They're close by. And for the flowers that are far away, we say those are flowers. Okay, but over here we have chairs. So we have to use the negative. Okay, we use the contraction aren't, which is short for are not. These aren't flowers. These aren't flowers. Okay, and for the chairs that are far away, we say those aren't flowers. Those aren't flowers. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now we're going to make some questions. We know these are flowers. When you want to make a question, you have to change these are and put the be verb first. So it becomes, are these flowers? Are these flowers? And the answer is, yes, they are. Okay, now the flowers are far away. So we say, are those flowers? Are those flowers? And again, the answer is, yes, they are. Okay, now here we have chairs. Are these flowers? The answer is no, they aren't. Okay, and now they're far away. Are those flowers? And again, the answer is no, they aren't. Okay, so in this video, we learned how to use these and those. I hope you guys understand, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!